Hello, in this lecture we will take a look at the scroll view, and as you can see I have a very basic application which basically just has one page, and that page holds a lot of labels. In fact, there are so many I will not even be able to give you a count. Okay, so it's a lot of them, and obviously they will not fit the height of one single device. So if I have this little device, okay, I have it opened. I'm going to try to go back, okay. So right here I have it, and I have lots of these different labels, okay. But obviously I don't see them all. So by default, if something doesn't fit, it simply won't fit. There will not be any kind of scrolling. So what you need to add is this scroll view. Okay, this will work the same way in Android as it will work in UWP. It's very simple. You just need to know the right place to put it. Okay, the right place to put it. And I'm gonna stop debugging now. And you put it above, okay, so above the stack layout, and at that point the stack layout becomes the child for the scroll viewer. Okay, so it's the scroll view rather. Okay, it's called scroll view. Now mind you, in WPF it would be scroll viewer. It works pretty much the same way. It allows for scrolling. Okay, so just so we know what we are doing, what's happening, I will change a few of these, and I'll make these last ones 1, 2, and 3. Okay, just like that, very simple. This is a very simple element to use. Okay, you can also use it on text, on labels. You can do it on labels. You can create a fixed height for a label and wrap the label in a scroll view as well, just like you would stack layout. Okay, so let's launch that again. Now, of course, it takes a little while to launch, but it is actually a very simple element to use. I'm gonna go back again. Let's see if it's, and as you can see, I can scroll now. You can see the scrolling effect happening. And if I scroll down to the bottom, I can see test 1, test 2, and test 3. Very simple and very easy to use. Now, if I close that, just quickly, if I go to UWP, local machine, I launch that, it's gonna be the same exact thing. Again, it's all very cross-platform. And I would recommend always putting this on your pages, unless you have some specific way to handle those things. Unless you have that, and if you don't, just put it in, it won't hurt